Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our third video in Python automating GUIs. So in the previous video we have learned that how you can use PyAutoGUI for the mouse coordinates, and we have learned about this. So now in this video we are going to learn about clicking the mouses. So to send a virtual mouse click to your computer, we are going to use PyAutoGUI.click function. So by default, this click uses the left mouse button and takes a place wherever the mouse cursor is currently located. We can pass x and y coordinates of the click as optional, first and second arguments, if we want it to take place somewhere other than the mouse's current position. So let me just show you a simple example first. For example, let me first import PyAutoGUI, and now so PyAutoGUI dot click, and so now I want to, it should be click and 10.5, so this is the x and y position. So if I run this, you will see that I will receive a click in here. So let me just run this. So now you can see I have received the click in here. So let me run it again. So you can see I am receiving the clicks in here. So this was that you can use clicks. Now we are going to show you, I'm going to show you a little complex example. So it's dragging the mouse. For example, it's an example that you can drag the mouse. So dragging means moving the mouse while holding down one of the mouse buttons. For example, you can move files between folders by dragging the folder icons, or you can move appointment around in a calendar app, so like this. For this you can use a PyAutoGUI.drag2 function, or PyAutoGUI if you want the relevant position, relevant drag position, you can use PyAutoGUI drag rel. So now let me show you an example. So guys, this is the Pinch application. This example is working with like it should be like Pinch application. So now when I run my code, you will see that I will a drawing in here, a square drawing in this section, so in your Pinch application. So now let me first import PyAutoGUI in here, and now first PyAutoGUI, and also I need to import time. First let me set a time.sleep to 5 seconds, and now I'm going to get the click. So click to put drawing program in focus. So this is used for focusing on the program, and now I'm going to specify a duration in here, so 200. Okay, 200. Now while distance, sorry, this is not duration, this is distance. So while distance is greater than 0, now I'm going to use the drag rel. So PyAutoGUI.drag rel, and you can see we have x offset, y offset, duration, like this. So let me give the distance and 0, so x and y offsets, and for the duration 0.2. so this is moving to right. Let me write a comment, move right. And now for the move and also you need to minus the distance, so -5. Also for moving down, you can use PyAutoGUI.drag rel 0 distance, and the duration is 0.2. so this is for moving down. And another one is for the move left. So PyAutoGUI.drag rel minus distance like this. So another one is 0 and the duration is 0.2. So this is for move left, and now for the distance I'm going to distance minus 5, and also PyAutoGUI dot drag rail 0 minus distance, and for the duration I'm going to give it 0.2. So it's for the move up, so move up, and this is for move left. So this is my complete code, and I will add the source code to the video description. Now if I run this, and now I'm going to open my Paint application, so now you can see in the first it delays for 5 seconds, and now it is drawing for me like this. So you can see now it's completing the drawing like this. So now this is completed. So thank you guys. I will add a source code to the video description. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel.